Students, good morning. In the last lecture, we have learned how to write the numbers from 1 to 100. And today, we are going to learn how to write the numbers in correct order. बच्चों, इसके पहले के लेक्चर में हमने 1 से 100 तक नंबर कैसे लिखे वो सीखा। तो आज हम नंबर्स करेक्ट ऑर्डर से कैसे लिखना है वो आज सीखेंगे। Students, look at the blackboard and read the first question. Write the numbers in correct orders. तो आपको यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ नंबर्स दिए हैं, आपको ये नंबर्स करेक्ट ऑर्डर से लिखना है। तो देखो 1, after one word which number comes? Yes, 2. So you have to write here number 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after 7, yes, 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10. Look at the second sum. 1, 1, 11. And after 11, yes, 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. And 1, 7, 17 is given. Then write 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And 2, 0, 20. Next. 2, 1, 21. Yes. Next. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. And then 2, 5, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29. And then 30, 30. The next 3, 1, 31. 32, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and here 40, 40. Yes, right. 5, 1, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Look here. What is the number? 66 to 62. And which number comes after 62? Yes. 63, 63. 63, 63. Then 16, 4. Then 6, 5. 65 is given. And after 65, yes, 66. 67, 68, and here 69, 69, and 70, 70. And what is the number of next 70? Yes, 71, 71. 7, 1. After 71, which number? Yes, 72. 73, 73. Here 74 is given. So which number come after 74? Yes, 75, 75. Then 76, 77, 80. Next, 91. After 91, yes, 9 to 92. 93 is given. So after 93, yes, 94. 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. And after 99, yes, 100, 100. 100. Here, 3, 4, 34. After 34, yes, 35. 36, 37. After 37, 38. 39. 34 and 40 and 41 41. 42 42. Next, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 63, 64, 65, and 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70, and 71. Then 4, 6, 46, 47, 48, 49, 49, and 50. Here 51, 52, then 53 and 54. Okay students, today we have to write the numbers in correct order. See you. So students, let's practice the numbers in correct order. First, 77. After that, 78, 79, 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Next, 63 is given. What comes before 63? Yes, 62. And before that, 61. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. Next, before 68, yes, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. Next, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100, 100. Last, before 81, yes, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Very good. So students, today you have to write these numbers in correct order as a homework. See you.